Welcome to Top 5 Verdict. The best Mquinas para Coser is probably one of the most versatile and indispensable tools for any home or professional tailor, offering unparalleled precision and efficiency in garment creation and repair, allowing you to bring your creative visions to life with ease and accuracy. Whether you're a beginner exploring the world of sewing or an experienced seamstress looking to upgrade your equipment for more complex projects, this machine promises to be a reliable companion in all your fabric endeavors. Number 5. Coquimbo Mini Sewing Kit. Never be caught off guard by a loose button or small tear again. This compact kit is designed for anyone living away from home, ensuring you're always prepared for quick clothing fixes. Everything you need for hand sewing repairs is included. It comes with scissors, a tape measure, thimble, needles, safety pins, buttons, and a variety of thread colors. Keep all your tools neatly secured in its lightweight case. Its compact size makes it easy to store in a dorm drawer, backpack, or travel bag. Ideal for life on the go, whether you're traveling, at home, or in your dorm. Quickly mend any wardrobe issue before heading out to class, work, or an event. This is a useful sewing kit for beginners, students, and travelers alike. It makes a thoughtful back-to-school or housewarming gift for anyone needing simple repair tools. What we like? If you need a quick fix for a loose button or a small tear, this is your go-to. It's designed for those living away from home, like college students in dorms. If you value convenience and preparedness for minor emergencies, this compact kit is perfect for you. What people say? The machine is very easy to use and has a lot of great features. I love the automatic threader, it saves so much time. The variety of stitches is amazing, perfect for all my sewing projects. Number 4. Singer 4423 Heavy Duty Sewing Machine. Introducing the Singer 4423, a high-speed, heavy-duty sewing machine designed to tackle any project. With its robust construction and powerful motor, it's built to last. Explore endless possibilities with 23 built-in stitches offering 97 unique applications. Whether it's for everyday mending or creative designs, this machine provides the versatility you need. Say goodbye to eye strain. The automatic needle threader makes threading the needle a breeze, allowing you to focus more on your sewing and less on setup. Experience a 60% stronger motor that delivers exceptional piercing power. It effortlessly sews through thick seams and heavy-duty fabrics like denim and canvas. Constructed with a heavy-duty metal frame and a stainless steel bed frame, this machine is a true workhorse. Its stability and durability ensure long-lasting performance. Get started right away with a comprehensive kit of included accessories. From various feet to needles and bobbins, everything you need is conveniently stored and ready to go. What we like? For those tackling tougher fabrics like denim and canvas, this machine offers superior piercing power. If you're looking for a reliable workhorse that can handle demanding projects with speed and stability, its robust metal frame and powerful motor make it an excellent choice. What people say? The machine has a built-in needle threader which makes threading the needle so much easier. It comes with a variety of presser feet, including a zipper foot and a buttonhole foot, which expands its capabilities. The LED light illuminates the sewing area well, providing good visibility. Number 3. Magicfly Mini Sewing Machine with Extension Table. Introducing the Magicfly Mini Sewing Machine, your perfect companion for quick and easy sewing projects. It's designed for convenience and portability, making sewing accessible anywhere. You can power this device using AC/DC adapter or batteries for true wireless freedom. Starting your sewing tasks is as simple as pressing a button or using the included foot pedal. Experience stronger stitches and easier finishing with its double thread design. Adjust the speed to high or slow with a simple button, tailoring it to your specific sewing needs. This practical kit comes with everything you need, including numerous bobbins, needles, and essential tools. The extension table provides stability for larger projects, and a storage bag is also included. With clear threading guides and a simple, fixed stitch, it's perfect for those new to sewing. It meets basic household needs without being overly complicated. Rest assured, each unit is factory tested before packaging, so it will arrive threaded and ready for a test stitch on a small piece of cloth. What we like? If you're just starting out or need a sewing machine that's easy to use and transport, this is a great option. Its dual-speed function and included extension table make it suitable for various household tasks. If you appreciate simplicity and convenience for basic sewing needs, consider this model. What people say. The machine is very easy to use and has a lot of great features. I love the variety of stitches this machine offers. It makes it so versatile for different projects. The build quality is excellent. It feels very sturdy and durable. Number 2. Singer 4452 Heavy-Duty Sewing Machine. Introducing the Singer 4452, a high-speed, heavy-duty sewing machine designed to tackle any project. Experience unparalleled power and efficiency for all your sewing needs. With 50% more power than standard machines, it effortlessly sews through multiple layers and thick fabrics. Its robust motor ensures consistent performance, even on the most challenging materials. Explore endless creative possibilities with 32 built-in stitches offering 110 different applications. From basic mending to intricate decorative designs, it handles it all with ease. Get started right away with the included all-in-one accessory kit. It contains everything you need, from specialized feet to essential tools, for smooth sewing on a variety of fabrics. The top drop-in bobbin system with a clear view cover makes monitoring your thread supply simple. Winding and inserting the bobbin is quick and hassle-free, ensuring uninterrupted sewing. Constructed with a full metal frame for exceptional durability, this machine is built for longevity. The convenient built-in needle threader saves you time and effort, allowing you to start sewing faster. Download the free Creative app to access your manual, tutorials, and support. It's your ultimate resource for getting the most out of your sewing experience. What we like. This machine offers a vast range of stitch options for creative projects and handles thick fabrics with ease. If you desire versatility and power for both everyday repairs and more intricate designs, its enhanced motor and extensive stitch library are ideal for you. What people say. This sewing machine is great for beginners. It has a lot of features that make it easy to learn on. I love the automatic threader. It saves so much time and frustration. The variety of stitches is amazing. I can tackle any project with this machine. Number 1. Brother CS7000X Sewing and Quilting Machine. Introducing the Brother CS7000X, a versatile sewing and quilting machine designed to bring your creative ideas to life. It offers a wide range of stitches and features for all your projects. Explore endless creative possibilities with 70 unique built-in stitches, perfect for utility, decorative, heirloom, and quilting needs. It also includes 7 styles of one-step auto-size buttonholes. Threading your machine is now simpler than ever. The automatic needle threader reliably guides the thread, and the jam-resistant drop-in top bobbin is easy to load and keeps your bobbin secure. Get started right away with a comprehensive set of accessories. It comes with a wide table, 10 sewing feet, a quilt guide, a protective hard case, and more. Built to last, its durable metal frame construction ensures stability and reliability for any project. The fixed needle bar provides cleaner stitching and straighter lines. Tackle larger projects with ease thanks to an increased needle-to-arm workspace. This generous area provides ample room for quilting and other big sewing tasks. What we like. Ideal for quilters and those working on larger projects, this machine provides ample space and numerous stitch options. If you're looking for a machine that offers both extensive creative capabilities and the practical advantage of a larger work area, its generous workspace and stitch variety are perfect for you. What people say. The machine has a good stitch quality. It is easy to use, even for beginners. The machine comes with a variety of accessories. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.